Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to import audio to Waze in 2026. If you want to use a custom voice or audio while navigating, here's what you need to know. First, open Waze and tap the menu icon. Go to Settings, then select Voice and Sound. From there, look for the option to choose or record a voice. If your version of Waze supports custom voice recording, select the voice recording option and follow the instructions on screen. You can record the required navigation phrases one by one using your phone's microphone. When you finish recording, save your custom voice and return to the voice and sound settings. Select your newly created voice as the navigation voice. Keep in mind that Waze does not normally let you simply import an audio file as a complete navigation voice. Custom voices generally need to be created through Voice's supported recording feature. And that's how to add custom audio to Waze. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.